Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel at NDN TV Nigeria. Click on the subscribe button and be the first to get notifications.
A massive housing scheme conceived to provide between 600 and 800 housing units of various categories commenced within the vicinity of Port Harcourt International Airport in the month of January this year. The brain behind the project, Victoria Creek Gardens Limited, says when completed, it will complement ongoing efforts to provide decent and affordable housing in the nation's treasure base. So today we have come to what is probably the biggest housing estate project in the entire Niger Delta region. It's the Victoria Creek Gardens Estate along the airport road in Port Harcourt, Rivers State. It's going to house about 600 units of different types of accommodation. It's still at the teething stage, it's just beginning, and I want to take a tour of it today.
We don't just start the building like that. We've done our soil test, and the soil test has revealed that there are some geotechnical and mechanical properties of the soil that we need to improve to rest our building. We've removed the unfavorable sand, the material that is not good, that is not fit for the intended purpose. So we've now added a granular material that has the mechanical property that we need to carry the building. It doesn't just stop like this. Level has been given, compaction will be done. There will be a mechanical densification of the soil using a compactor. There will be a compactor will come in, we compact very well. We make sure that the density required, which is minimum of 95% total density, is attained before we now do our blinding. The blinding is done. You can see the concrete, the surface, the blinding surface. It has been done. The subgrade is properly stabilized. So this is the actual base of the building. The actual foundation is the actual foundation work we are doing now. This is another stage in the foundation work. For this, as you rightly said, you can see the base is, all the parts are completed, the base are completed. And these ones, you see some small stripe foundation, the strip foundation, where the block walls will rest for the foundation, and the block wall is ongoing. For this building, we've backfilled. And you can see the material we are using to backfill now is a granular material, sharp sand. And not just backfilling, we backfill in stages and we do our compaction. The casting of this one is done. The DPC casting has been completed. And you can see the ground floor column. Yes, we are coupling it. What we are doing here in Victoria Creek Garden Estate is a frame structure system. We are framing our structure. So all these structural elements will be completed before we start the partitioning with the blocks. Most of our buildings are on flat slab. Okay. So we are using the panel system, you understand, to make sure that we meet up as per the speed of work. So we internalize most of our beams and we are working on flat slabs. What we use here are props and girders to make sure that for the beams, then before we start our full slab system, they are made in Germany. They are all Perry materials. All the materials, we got it from Perry. We call it Perry panels. For this building, we are almost prepared for the slabs. We are now concentrating on the beams. You can see by people over there working on the beams. We are working on the beams. This is the first flight of the staircase. So we need to prepare the first flight of the staircase with the partitioning wall so that we can be able to return the second flight that will take us fully to the first floor. Fencing work, we've gone almost 50%. But we are not doing ordinary fencing work with the block work. What we are doing in this estate is a earth retaining wall to be able to enable us to do the filling we are doing here. You can see the level here is different from the level here. And secondly, to make sure that water from this side doesn't come here. Yes, it's an earth retaining wall that is watertight.
All right, so we are at the block molding industry inside the estate because I'm told that they're making their own blocks. Why is that?
The idea is to produce good quality for the development of the houses. You know, we try to guard against cracks on the wall of the building. So we need to make sure that quality is top-notch in the production.
So this is one of the roads leading into the estate. It's under construction as we speak. So tell us about road infrastructure in this estate.
Okay, we have 4 major entrances into the estate, and this is one of the first entrances to the estate. This is about 400 meters long inside and 19 meters wide. All the roads inside the estate are dual carriage road. It's going to be finished with asphalt. As you can see, the roads are under construction right now. So we have internal roads. The total roads within the estate is about 10 kilometers.
This is a full-fledged police station put together by the Victoria Creek Gardens Estate to provide security for residents and for the area completely. Tell me, you needed to first build this. I mean, you have not put any building standing, but you put the police station together.
Yes, the idea is to tell our incoming residents that we have their security at heart, not just selling houses. So we first of all put the police station to let them know that we are really, really serious.
You recall that some time ago rivers used to be very scary to investors, but for some time now we've been able to stabilize rivers, and investors are being attracted to come to River State, one of which is the Victoria Creek Gardens Estate. I can assure you that we're going to do our best to ensure that your investment is protected. Not only your investment, the communities around that houses, motorists, anybody using that houses can be sure of adequate security, because we have deployed a puff adder to that houses, and the puff adder is an operational outfit, that responds swiftly to distress situations and calls. Those who are even coming to stay there, I think they are better for it, because with the presence of police station, they are not just a police station, an active police station that is there, a tactical unit that is there, then they have no cause for fear at all.
I'm here now with the Chief Executive of the Victoria Creek Gardens Estate, Mr. Michael Amadi Owu. Welcome.
Thank you, welcome.
What is the concept behind Victoria Creek Gardens Estate?
Okay, Victoria Creek Garden Estate was born out of the love for my place, River State. So the idea about Victoria Creek Garden Estate is to develop an urban wonder in the Niger Delta, not just River State. So we decided to also put Victoria Creek Garden Estate in the new Port Harcourt city layout to build luxury, affordable luxury. I call that affordable luxury for everybody within the Niger Delta. So far, Victoria Creek Garden Estate is going to be housing over 800 plus houses. We have 2-bedroom, 3-bedroom, 5-bedroom semi-detached, 5-bedroom detached, and all infrastructures in place.
Where are you getting the funds to finance this project?
I've always believed that if you're able to visualize it, you can bring it to pass. Like the Bible says, when you write your vision, then everything is possible. Basically, the project is self-funded. It's a private project. We are not accessing funds from anybody. We are taking it gradually, and by the grace of God, we are meeting up our expectation. The project is divided into 3 phases. We're in the phase 1. The phase 1 is embedded into the infrastructure, the block of flats, the road, the police station, which we've already built. And so far, we have about 7 foundations coming up simultaneously. And two of the buildings are getting to the first floor. And we are on the phase 1 process, which we intend to wrap up within the next 8 months so that we can have lives around. The project is designed in such a way that when we finish a phase, people start living automatically.
Yeah, well, you said it's affordable. How affordable is affordable?
Affordable is quite affordable for the middle class, the average middle class, the high-end income class. So affordable is starting price of 10 million naira for a land, and then ranging down to 65 million naira and so on. But as we progress, prices are changing because we also put into consideration cost of raw materials we use to construct.
There are people who say that the Rivers State government is involved in this project, or even maybe the governor himself, Governor Nyesom Wike, is a part owner and part investor in this project. Is that true?
Okay, I heard that rumor a lot, and it's quite funny when I heard that. You know, we try to underestimate Rivers people. We have a lot of things we can do. All we need to do is to believe in ourselves apart from the regular politics. We have a lot of great minds in Rivers State. I've met and I've interacted with a lot of people. This project is a private-owned project. I repeat again. It's a private-owned project. The project is owned by Victoria Creek Garden Estate, and it is being masterminded by young men. Not part of, no part of Rivers State government is involved in this project, and it's being powered by Ampa Construction, which is the developer of this project. The only thing, the cooperation, yes, we've enjoyed the cooperation ranging from the approvals we needed to come here. At the point we started development, we were scared, but it's different from what we hear out there. If you don't try it, you will never get to know what's happening. We had cooperation from the Greater Port Harcourt, we have cooperation from the local government, we have cooperation from the Ministry of Survey down to the government area. So basically, we've also approached the government. It's something that they might be interested in buying for some high-level civil servants. So it's a win-win deal. That's part of, we see that part as support from them buying into the project, because it's something that is for Rivers people and for Rivers people. Like, I want to create a slogan: invest in Rivers State if you love Rivers State.
Well, there you have it. Everything you need to know about Victoria Creek Gardens Estate in the city of Port Harcourt, Rivers State. Mr. Amadi, thank you so much for talking to us on Inside the Niger Delta.
Thank you very much.
Inside the Niger Delta.